Hello shoppers! I have one wonderful product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a record weight stabilizer from DIGITNOW. It looks very nice and good quality. It's made out of high quality aluminum and it has a velvet lining on the bottom. The weight of this stabilizer is 250 grams and it's perfect size not to overload your vinyls and prevent your vinyls from moving and wobbling. That provides you with much better sound quality of your favorite vinyls. Very simple to use, just place it on the top of the vinyl and slim design will fit under your dust cover of your vinyl record player. I like this product very much. Simple to use, very useful. It's a great addition to any record player. I would highly recommend it to you.